Hello, my name is Carlos Solis and I'm your All Makes brand manager, and today we're talking about the Alltrux Promise. What is the Alltrux Promise? Well, let me tell you. The Alltrux Promise was something that we developed to be a hassle-free experience when dealing with a manufacturer defect. We all know that when you have a defective component which causes your truck to be down, it can be a hassle when you're waiting for your money or you're waiting for a determination on whether or not it is actual manufacturer defect. What we wanted to do is we wanted to eliminate that hassle. When filing a warranty, we require them to purchase a new component, which requires them to, hold on to their capital. And then by the time they make that actual determination on whether or not the warranty was due to manufacturer defect, we can be looking at every bit of 6 months. What that means is if you're experiencing a manufacturer defect, it's as simple as bringing it in, jotting down some important information, and getting you back on the road. That's our commitment to you. That's the Alltrux Promise.